Welcome, today I am with Realme C21Y and I will show you all box accessories. Here we can find the paperwork, so it's safety information and also the quick tutorial. Inside we can find the SIM tool, it's right here. And inside we can find charger, basically it's a charging brick. With this kind of the specification. Let me just catch focus. Okay, never mind. So there's the specification. And here is a micro USB cable, as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.